Alright, so we got this old smoke detector, and I gave it to my kids to take apart, and they said, "Hey Dad, is there a radio in there?" I said, "What do you mean a radio?" I said, "Look what this says. Radioactive material." What? Open the thing up. And sure enough, right on there. Let's see if we can see. Turn it upside down. Caution, radioactive material. I really don't know what that is. I really don't want to open it to find out. But that's a warning with your smoke detectors. Don't give them to your kids to play with, or anybody else. Radioactive. First alert, all right.